Let's learn colors name. Red color, purple color, sky blue color, blue color, orange color, pink color, green color. Let's learn English alphabets. Blue color, orange color, A for apple. Orange color, green color, purple color, B for ball. Pink color, C for cat. Pink color, green color, D for dog. Green color, orange color, E for elephant. Green color, orange color, F for fish. Green color, orange color, G for grapes. Green color, orange color, H for horse. Orange color, green color, I for ice cream. Green color, pink color, J for jug. Orange color, sky blue color, K for kitten. Orange color, L for lamp. Green color, sky blue color, M for monkey. Green color, sky blue color, N for nest. Pink color, O for orange. Purple color, orange color, green color, P for parrot. Pink color, sky blue color, Q for queen. Orange color, green color, sky blue color, R for rabbit. Orange color, purple color, S for ship. Orange color, green color, T for train. Orange color, pink color, U for umbrella. Blue color, V for van. Green color. Sky blue color. W for watermelon. Blue color. X for Xmas tree. Sky blue color. Orange color. Y for yak. Orange color. Blue color. Z for zebra.